Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we change by 1 over t. So t dt we put on the right side, y square we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one we have cosecant of y square dy. The integration of this one we have negative cotangent y. This one we have t square over 2 and I will put about c. Number 8 divided by 2 we have number 4. Now we have the conditions. That means when t equals to negative number 2, y equals to 3b over 4. So I will put this one gone here. Negative number 2 gone here to find the value of c. So this one we have negative number 1. This one we have 16. So we have number 1 in here. So we have c equals to 1 minus 16. We have negative 15. And now we put this one going here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.